the tree, and then see that little hole?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you do it. See this? Put that through, okay? And now pull that. Pull this, okay? Pull that. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it, pull it.
Okay, I don't know how to do this. Pull it.
Okay, let go.
Almost.
See? Almost. See, look, you have to pull it, both of them really hard. And then it's a bow, okay? But to undo them, you don't pull the bows. That just makes it worse.
No,
you pull these, okay?
Oh, I didn't want to undo them.
You have to undo it to redo it, huh? Liza, good teaching. Oliver, do you want to try it this time?
Because sometimes it will go like this if you have a double knot. So if you have a double knot, you just have to undo a little knot at the end. See, I just had to undo that little part, then just pull, okay? So tight. You know the X part, do the X part. Good. Put this one under there.
I know that
This one under there. Now pull both of them. Good. Now make one, with this one, make one little thing touching.
Okay, I only
Good.
can't do
Go with
that.
the tail, then put that around.
Oh.
And look, wait, see that hole? Pull that through. Pull
So
that
you
through.
do
Pull
it
right here.
right
Here.
by the
Pull,
hole that you just
Okay.
made.
Pull both of them.
You do it like
You
this.
did